welcome to this video tutorial. I am Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play with Microsoft Word shapes. Whether you want to create a diagram for your scientific research paper, or you want to use them simply as a caption for a picture, or else you want to make funny pictures using shapes, this is the way. Let's do it. Stick around. First click on Insert and then Shapes here. For example, if I want to add a rectangle, just click on the rectangle. This will turn the cursor into a plus sign. Then by going into the blank space anywhere in the Microsoft Word, hold the left button of the mouse and then using draw and then start drawing it. Here the rectangle has landed in our page. The next thing I want to show you is how you can play with the coloring of this one to format it. For example, this color I've chosen. Then if you want to remove the outline, this one, the borders, you can remove them. Click on the shape itself and then here, then go to no outline. Now I want to show you how you can add the text inside. For example, here, welcome. You can also format the text inside a shape. For example, if you want to color the text or play with the font size and so on, you can do a number of things. The same way you apply with other documents. If you want to center it left or right and so on, you can play with all of that. Let's center it. Now if you want to change the color, it's the same rule. You can change the color. After this, I want to show you how you can add another shape and then group together these shapes so they move together as one shape. For example, like in a diagram. So let's add this one, another shape here. You also have seen me how you can enlarge the shapes to hold the corners and do this to enlarge them. Alright, after this, let's also apply some formatting to this one. Okay, let's combine the two shapes. For example, to combine the two shapes, whether you want a line or without, you can do it, but I want to show you like how you do it in a diagram. For example, draw a line from here to here by clicking on the line and then holding them. Now if you want to group the whole thing together, just click on each shape, hold the control button. While holding the control button, click on each shape. This will select each shape separately. Then go to shape format and arrange. Here in arrange you will see what is called group. Then group. Okay, so after grouping, then you can see that the whole thing will move together. Hold on. This whole thing will move together separately. Now you have seen how you can create shapes, how you can group them together. Now let's remove this one and I want to show you how you can make funny objects using shapes. To do that, let's, for example, this one for head, and then let's use the rectangle for body. Okay, then let's use another circle shape and then this time make them smaller for eye. Let's color it so that it doesn't get lost in between. So after clicking on the shape, alright, you can right click if you can see the filler and then start filling it. Now let's click this one, color it red. Now you can copy this one, Control C and then Control V and then drag it so that you have two eyes. You can use other shape to make for the nose, for example, like curved shapes. I use this curved shape, so draw the curved shape in here. This will make the nose. Okay, so you can see that how you can make the different shapes. If we make this one black and this one, let's say some other color. Oh, we've created something scary. Yeah, that's it, how you can play with shapes in Microsoft Word. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.